for a career on the cutting edge of machining technology? Then Nytron Aerospace is the right place for you. We are a full-service precision manufacturer specializing in 3, 4, and 5-axis high-speed machining, CNC milling, EDM 8-axis wire, and dual spindle production turning. We serve many different industries, ranging from commercial airlines, semiconductors, and space, to energy, medical, and the defense industry. From the battlefield to outer space, you will find components that Nytron Aerospace hands have touched. We take immense pride in the products we produce and invite you to be part of that pride. At Nytron Aerospace, we train all of our team hands-on, as we believe this is the best way to gain knowledge and foster strong relationships between employees and their managers. Here, we don't believe in micromanaging. We value personal responsibility and trust every member of our team to be punctual and to do their job to the best of their ability. This creates a laid-back work culture where every employee feels like family and is truly valued. In addition, we offer health and dental benefits, as well as a 401k with company matching.
Nytron Aerospace is different from other places that I worked at, primarily because of the organization that we have. There are different departments that are very crucial to making the company work pretty well and efficiently. With having monthly lunches or other benefits that we get as employees here at Nytron Aerospace.
We are growing, and we're looking to fill positions in all departments. From no experience in manufacturing to seasoned vets, there are many opportunities here for you. If you're a self-starter, a team player, detail-oriented, and eager to learn, then we want to meet you and make you a vital asset to our team. At Nytron Aerospace, you'll be part of groundbreaking innovation and part of a community that provides balance in and out of the workplace. If you're looking for a career in aerospace, Nytron Aerospace is the company for you.
I like the environment. I like my coworkers. I like work schedule.
What does Nytron mean to you?
Nytron means home.
Work, precision,
dedication,
hard work,
dedication, resilience,
innovation,
family, opportunity,
family, everything, friendship,
commitment,
opportunity,
great environment,
friendship,
family atmosphere.
What's the one word that describes working here?
Pleasant.
fun,
hard work,
I would say growth,
attention to detail,
growth,
imagination,
growth, creativity, fun,
opportunities, fast-paced,
rewarding,
growth,
educational,
opportunity,
fast-paced.
Why do you stay?
The environment.
It's a good company to work for.
Good people around here.
Mainly for the growth.
to grow with the company,
This is a place I want to grow with.
Fun.
to see success,
Possibilities to better myself.
growth.
opportunities,
the friendship,
I guess it's a learning.
growth,
For the challenges job brings.
What makes Nytron special?
I like the schedule.
The bond we have.
The work ethic.
I would say the people and the environment.
The people,
The crew.
Work is complex.
the environment,
Keep strong. The people.
family, the potential.
opportunities,
it's innovative,
The environment.
friendship.
Visit our website to learn more about who we are and to join the Nytron Aerospace family.